Good morning, everybody. This is Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning, and over here in Orlando, Florida. Nice, cool, breezy day. I just want to show you the vehicle that we're working on today. We're at a client's house, and this bad boy right here is what we're going to detail. Let me flip the camera around and show you what we're doing. All right, so here we are. It's a vehicle we're working on here. It's a Porsche. I want to show you, hopefully you can see the rims. Zoom out a little bit. Pretty dirty. This car is actually going to get a wash and a wax. Sneak peek of the interior is kind of loud. You know, vacuum's going and everything. On this side, doing the rims right now. We'll get it started. Look at that, fingerprints. That's alright. Like I said, this car is going to get a nice little detail of what we're done. I'm going to wash it up, wax it up real nice, do up the interior real great. Alright, so let me go ahead and detail this car and I'll show the after results. Alright, so we're back. Here's the final results on this vehicle right here. The Porsche rims, yeah, pretty clean. Glass, pretty clean. What sucks is sprinklers on. Luckily the car is waxed already. You see? Car's getting beating. See the beating on there? Hopefully the camera picks it up. There you go. Just wipe that down real quick before they get any water spots on there. But yep, this one is pretty much done. Alright, and here is the interior. Everything is clean. Seats are clean. Center console is clean. Everything's clean. Glass is clean. The back is clean. Yeah, this car is ready to go. Once I wipe off that water from the sprinklers, this car is pretty much done. This was Gavin from Fresh Eco Steam Cleaning. See ya.